We look at this question. The coefficient for x squared in the expansion of 2 plus px to the power 6 is 60. We want to find the value of the positive constant n. Okay, so this one, we use binomial expansion. So for binomial expansion, we have NCR a to the power n minus RB to the power n. So for this one, it will be NCR, okay, we have the 6C2, because this is power 2, okay, 2 to the power of 4, and Px to the power of 2, okay, it will be 6C2, 6C2, 15, okay, times 4 power 4, 2 power 4, 2 power 4 is 240. So 240 p squared x squared. So the coefficient for x squared will be 240 p squared. So we have the 240 p squared equal to 60. So p squared is equal to 60 over 240. So p squared equal to 1 over 4. So p equal to plus minus square root 4. And they want the positive constant, that is p greater than 0. So the p is 1 over 2. Okay. So if you don't use this method, if you use Pascal triangle, okay, you can actually this one is power 6, so 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 3, 3, 1, 1, 4, 6, 4, 1, 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1, 1, 6, 15, 20, and then 15, 5, 1. So you can observe that the 15 here is actually the 6C2 here. Okay, so this is 6C2. So the expansion for this one, okay,
Recording progress.
the expansion for this one, 2 plus px power 6, this one. If we use the Pascal triangle method, okay, it will be 1, 6, okay lah, we have the 1, 6, and 15. And then 2 power 6, 2 power 5, 2 power 4, and px power 0, px power 1, px power 2. Okay, so we have this one, 15 times, so 15 times 2 power 4, 240. So 240 p square x squared. So we have the same thing as this. Okay, then the following step will be the same. So from here we get the value of p is plus minus half, but the question wants us to find the positive constant p only. So p is half. The reason we choose power 2 is because they want the coefficient for x squared. So we can observe we have the x power 0, x power 1, x power 2 here. So the 6C2 px power 2, this one will give you x squared. Okay, so we have the x squared here. So they tell us the coefficient of x squared. So we have the x squared here. Okay. So for part 2, they want us to use the value of p. Find the coefficient of x squared in the expansion of 3 minus x, 2 plus x power 6. Okay, so this is they want the coefficient of x squared. So the coefficient of x squared is different with the coefficient of the x squared from the previous question. Okay, so for this one, okay, if we want to find the coefficient of x squared, so what we have is 3 minus x, 2 plus x over 2 power 6. Px is actually 1 over 2x. Then it's x over 2 lah. So this is 3 minus x. And then we have the power 6. Just now the power 6 is 1, 6, 15. 1, 6, 15. 1, 6, 15. 2 power 6, 2 power 5, 2 power 4. And then this one is x over 2 power 0, x over 2 power 1, x over 2 power 2. Actually, this one no need to write lah. But I normally, if you write it also okay lah. So this is 3 minus x and 2 power x, 2 power x, 2 power 6 is 64 plus this one is 6 times 2 power 4. Why 2 power 4? Because 5 minus 1 is 4. Okay, so if I multiply 2 power 5 divided by 2 power 1, then it's 2 power 4 lah. So 96x plus this one is 15 times 2 squared. Why it is 2 squared? Because 2 power 4 divided by 2 power 2. Then what remain is 2 power 2. So we have the 60 x squared and so on. So we want to find the coefficient of x squared. So to find the coefficient of x squared, so we use the 3 multiply with this, then they have x squared. And we have the x multiply with x, then it will have x squared also. So what we will have the 180 x squared minus 96 x squared and so on. So we have the 180 minus 96, that is 84 x squared. So the coefficient of the x squared will be 84.